Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nashwa, and in today's video we are going to see what heartbreak could sometimes look like. Let me show you what I mean.
Hi. Hey. Can I come in? Sure. Thanks, but I don't drink vodka. It's water. Vodka. Does vodka make you forget your husband? All his lies, all of him. If vodka makes you forget your husband and his lies and his cheating ways, I'll drink vodka more often. I hate that man. I hate that man. He cut me open. I fell for him. I love him. And there's nothing I wouldn't do for him. And you want to know the worst part? If he came back, I'd take him. After all his lies and all his cheating, I'd still take him back. I hate him. I hate him because of what he does to me. Maybe I'm not enough. No, don't say that. Maybe I wasn't good enough. Maybe I'm not worth anything. Stop saying these things. None of them are true. It's not true. You are worth it. You did your best. You're doing your best. Everything is gonna be okay. Really? I need to be alone.
I would say I hope you enjoyed that video, but there is nothing enjoyable about heartbreak. But if you liked what you saw today, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up by clicking the like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead. Jump on board. Why not? Subscribe. And if you guys have any comments, anything you would like to share, let me know. Leave it in the comment section down below. Now you know what it is. You know what it is. Every Monday I have new videos for you guys, so make sure to turn on notifications by clicking that little blue bell so you guys can know exactly when I post. Until next time, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Later, guys.